Hey there everyone, my name is Cerise Fairfax. Welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday and that means we are doing real estate, relocation, also travel and tourism. But today we're going to focus on one casa, one villa right here in the Dominican Republic. This is located in a gated community, 370K. The lot size is 461 meters, fully furnished. So everything you see inside of this beautiful villa will come with everything you see. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, living room, nice terrace, laundry room, swimming pool, garden, parking, air conditioner, and there is also a lot more amenities. There is a water park, restaurant, tennis court, security 24 hours. The HOA fees are $345. Now, that is the basics of it. I want to get into this beautiful location and what it's all about, because a lot of you guys, you want villas. A lot of you guys, your budgets range. Some of you guys want houses just in a private community where it's gated and you get your 24-hour guard and you get your private pool and this is it. Others, you guys don't really have that type of interest or that type of budget and you just want to get something that is something in your budget. And I have places like that as well. So give me a shout for places like that. But this place right here is a villa. And this is where you are going to get your top-notch service. Now, in this area here, it is about a 7-minute drive to Playa Sosua, the popular Playa Sosua that a lot of people come to Sosua to go to because you can do a lot of water sports. The water is beautiful. You can actually see to the bottom to your feet on most days and it is gorgeous. There's vendors on the beach and it is very traveler friendly, tourist friendly, expat friendly, and local friendly. Now, where this place is also located is you can just walk to the end of the street and you can get on a guagua, which is the local bus. You can get in the public car, which is kind of like Uber Pool. And you can also get a moto taxi, which is a motorcycle taxi. Excuse the cameo in the background. That is my neighbor's rooster. We gotta love him. He's in almost every video. But in any case, we do have to make sure we stress that you do not need a vehicle living in this gated community. There is a shuttle service. The shuttle service will take you all the way to Playa Sosua. It will take you all the way to Cabarete. Cabarete is another beach town, very much like Sosua. And it has a lot of water sports as well, kite surfing, and it has a lot of good nightlife on the beach. But if you are looking for an area where you can just feel at home, kick up your feet, leave the gated community, feel safe, and just let your hair down, hang out and have fun, this is a great location. The reason why as well is because it is a huge tourist area. Now, where this is located, if you decide not to live here as your residence and you want to rent it out on Airbnb, it's highly popular to do that in this gated community. As a matter of fact, more people rent these places out on Airbnb than live in it. And that's what I have noticed. And that's what a lot of my clients, as soon as they contact me, they're like, I want to go to that villa. I want to check out that place. And so you can make a good amount of money every month renting your place out here. Now, there are a lot of grocery stores. There's pharmacies. There's gas stations, there's schools, and there's also churches. This is an area that you do not need to speak English. You do not need to pull out your translator. You can just chill, cool, max, and relax and get around. Most people in this area do speak English. If they are locals, you will be able to find somebody quite easily to speak English if you cannot find a tourist. However, because this is a tourist area as well, you will easily find a tourist on the street that you can just ask for directions if you need to do that, or if you want to go to like one of the local bars, one of the local restaurants. A lot of the businesses that are close to this gated community are owned by foreigners as well. On Pedro Clisante. Pedro Clisante is one of the most popular places in El Bate, Sosua. And this is very closely located to this villa. Pedro Clisante has a wonderful morning where you can go and get really, really good, delicious breakfasts at all different pubs and restaurants. And then you can also do lunch. There's places where you can have bingo, where you can go and enjoy live band, karaoke, sports, or just sit back and enjoy a nice stroll with an ice cream. Now, one thing I like about this villa is it is so spacious. Now, you are going to get 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. That means each bedroom has its own bathroom, and then you have a guest bathroom. Private pool, completely private. This is a private home. It is made with elegance. It is made with love. As you can see, the beautiful ambiance inside is just loving the comfort that you are going to feel when you get in there. I'm telling you, a lot of people, when they come here, they want the full kitchens. They want to be able to cook. They want to be able to host. This is a great place where you can host. Now, remember, if you do decide to rent it out, because it's a gated community, your guests will have the comfort of having 24-hour security. Nobody can get in that gate without showing their identification. And not only that, they cannot just show up and surprise the security guard and say, "Let me in, I need to go to this villa." The security has to know who your guests are when they're coming in, or you meet your guests at the front. There's a restaurant on the premises. The restaurant is awesome. The restaurant also has live bands some nights throughout the week. The menu is delicious, and the restaurant will also do room service to your villa. So some really great things going on. The water park is for children, but a lot of adults love to go there too, because there's a bar equipped in the water park and you can swim up to the bar from one of the pools. It's a great vibe. And not only that, one thing you will notice when you buy in this community is that you can count on your dollar appreciating. That means when you buy, when you sell, you most likely won't lose, because everything right now in the Dominican Republic, especially in Sosua, is going up in price. Places are appreciating day after day. I have a lot of people that contact me for relocation because I do relocation consultations. And I'm telling people right now that if you don't have the money to invest in something, then partner up with someone. I have that ability because I have a lot of people that don't have the budget right now to buy right straight out. So if you want to budget with somebody, lawyers will get involved so you don't have to worry about losing your money or getting ripped off. The other person won't be able to sell the property without you, and you just kind of get in on it. It's like a timeshare, but not. Guys, I want to tell you this. If you are looking for any other services aside from real estate, remember, I do relocation, travel, and tourism. That means if you want to come and you want to do a tour around the island and just kind of see what's going on, more specifically, Sosua, Cabarete, and Puerto Plata, I can set that up for you. Whether you have your own car and you just need a tour guide to take you around, or if you need to rent a car and someone else drive for you. It's a great way to get around and see where you want to buy or where you want to relocate. During our relocation consultations, we will get into quite a lot, whether it's real estate you're looking for or just coming here to cool, max, and relax. Once again, we will talk about what area you would like to live in, what area suits you best, and why. Because there are a lot of areas. There's the beach area, there's the countryside, there's also the main streets, there's the hills, and there's the city. A lot of people just want to come here because they want to make sure that they can have their dollar stretch. And we will talk about that as well. What your budget is, what area you can live in for that budget. A lot of you guys are contacting me and you are asking me about $300 apartments to rent for the month. Those are available, but not on the beach. So that means that you will have to make certain exceptions. For $300, you may not get something furnished, but you may be able to get something that is very close somewhere and you can furnish it yourself, very close to walking distance. There are other places that are furnished and they're a little bit more expensive, modern, and also air conditioning. Most of the apartments that I will get for you, if you want it furnished, it will come with Wi-Fi, it will come with air conditioner, and it will also come with cable, flat screen TV, and furnished. Give me a shout. I look forward to working with you. And guys, don't forget, please take a moment to subscribe. It's a free way to support the channel. And not only that, hit that like button so this can get picked up in the algorithms, because the more videos that we put out like this, the more we help you guys coming here to the Dominican Republic for travel, for tourism, for relocation, and real estate. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and give me a shout. My information is in the description below. You guys have a wonderful day, and hit me up on social media. I'm on social media. All my information, again, is below in the description. Take care, everyone. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blesses. And till we meet again, you have yourself a wonderful day. Treat yourself good out there. Are you coming to Sosua? Come be a guest on my show, Living Good, every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. We talk about life, love, lessons, and not only that, we share your story, how you found Sosua and what you're doing here. We also get into a little bit about real estate and how the Dominican Republic is changing. I would love to have you to come be a guest on my show. And if you have any advertising that you would like to deal with on my show, we would love to deal with you. That's right. So even if you are abroad and you have a business that is somewhere online offering a service, give us a shout. We can help you out. We advertise on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Make sure you watch every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and you can catch us on Facebook. Give me a shout when you're in town so I can book you in for a guest appearance. Take care, everyone.